How can you create positive affirmations to change your mindset? Is there any powerful way to have your thoughts aligned with your goals to get the maximized results for your financial goals to be achieved? My name is Taresh. I'm a financial freedom specialist. 3 things for positive affirmations. Number 1, do it daily. Repeat the positive affirmations every day for at least 90 days. Second, do it in the morning and the evening. When you get up and before you go to sleep are said to be the most powerful times in a day to have your positive affirmations working on your mindset. Third, create that positive affirmation written down by hand on paper, which should be precise, concise, today's present, and should be believable by your mindset. In the link given below, I'm giving you an audio track to listen for every day. Has been my secret also for my financial planning.